I'm standing here next to my car. You're not in charge, brother.
Shut the door.
I hate to break it to you.
Okay, you're not running the fucking situation.
Listen, I hate to break it to you, but I am.
On September 19th, 2025, in a New Jersey neighborhood, police responded to a trespassing complaint involving an intoxicated individual who refused to leave private property. What began as a routine call escalated into multiple criminal charges when the suspect challenged officers' authority at every turn. This case demonstrates why compliance with lawful police commands matters and the severe consequences of poor decisions during police encounters.
How you doing? Who called? What's going on? My camera's on.
Hi. He was here.
Okay.
In the car.
Who's
I
here?
pull up, the guy, the guy in the suit.
Okay.
And I'm like staring at him because I got to get in my driveway. So I'm like talking to him, and he's like, I work in the hospital.
Yeah.
I know you're f***ed up. He had his pants half down. He was trying to button them. I don't know what the f*** he's doing. And then he starts.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay.
Is there an issue?
And then he starts backing up and almost hit my garage. And then my
This
husband
is your
came out.
house?
Yeah.
Why is he in your driveway? Okay. You asked him to move though, and that's where he moved?
Yeah. He was supposed to leave. Ryan came down and talked to him, and he was supposed to leave, and he didn't leave.
Where was he
fucked up.
parked?
He was here, and then he almost hit my mailbox,
Okay.
and then he turned, and he went all the way up, and Ryan had to go, wait!
And you guys don't know him?
The other Gem that went in the house, she's f***ing intoxicated. He's been drinking. He went to court today. This is an I want
You
him gone,
guys
dude.
don't know him?
No.
And where-
They're in and out constantly in this f***ing house.
Which house?
Yeah,
You got to give me a little more detail. No, I don't. That's why I'm asking you questions. Yeah, I'm not trying to be a smart ass,
What's
but
his name? Lieutenant Venuto.
Give us the story from jump.
yeah.
They moved in. How was it in the beginning? They seemed okay in the beginning. And
What
then all of a
happened
sudden,
today?
He was here.
Okay.
I told him to move.
Yep.
I got out of my car and I said, "Sir, are you are okay?" I said, "Judy, are you having a medical?"
Yo, get out of the car. Get out of your car, please. Yeah, please step out of the car.
What the fuck's your problem?
Just step out of the car, please.
So what's making you tell me?
Please step out of your car until we figure out what's going on. Step out of your car.
Excuse me?
Please step out of the car until we figure out what's going on. Please step out of the car.
Purging?
Yes.
Okay.
And our cameras are on.
Yakuza.
Please step out of your car.
I understand you're. So I just wanted to clarify this.
I'm
was
gonna
just
clarify
no,
that
you're
you're
not
gonna
gonna
step
tell
out
me
of the
what to do.
car.
I'm gonna just talk to you right now. I'm
Okay.
sitting here. I'm very open. So you're telling me what was that? Just restart from where you were.
I would like you to
Officer
step out of the car
Purging.
so we can figure out what's going on.
Explain why.
Is this your house?
No.
So your car's parked in the driveway. I can smell alcohol coming from your breath. I need you to step out of the car.
This isn't my car. I'm here, parked, hanging out.
You're hanging out in his house, in his driveway, and he wants you here?
He said I could park in the driveway.
Okay.
No.
Step
Oh,
out of
you
the car.
didn't say I could park in the driveway?
I didn't say you could park in the driveway.
You were just talking to me about why we're here.
I
We
don't
had
know
issue
why
with the
you're-
neighbors.
All right, we're gonna step over here.
The car
You
because
can go.
it's not
That's
safe.
good.
No, you can step away from
I'm
the car.
standing here next to my car. You're not in charge,
Shut
brother.
the door.
I
You're
hate to
gonna
break it
step
to you.
away.
No, I'm here. Why are you shutting my car door? Whoa, why are you guys touching
Because
me?
you're not going back in the car.
Oh, I'm not going to.
So follow his instructions and you're
No,
going to get locked
listen.
up.
Oh,
follow his
or I'm
instructions.
going to get locked up.
You're
Yeah,
gonna get locked
100%.
Officer DePuzio?
Yeah, so just slide
DePuzio?
over.
No, listen,
So I can
I'm
shut the
going to
door.
get myself situated.
No, you're not. Okay, you're not running the fucking
Listen,
situation.
I hate
okay?
to break it to you, but I am. And if you have to disagree, you want to arrest me, you want to throw me in down
Okay,
here.
we will do that. We don't want to do that,
Hey,
but we
do it.
will.
Listen.
So just follow instructions.
I'm playing respectfully.
So move over
Whoa,
so we
see
can
what
shut the
he's
door.
I
doing
want
now?
you away from the
Yo,
driver's side of the
bicep.
door.
Whoa, I'm standing here right now. Whoa, what's going on here? Why are you doing that,
If you're not
retard?
listening, and you keep trying to step in the driver's side of your
Shut
door,
the fuck up,
and I can
pussy.
smell alcohol coming
Shut
off
up.
your... Okay.
I'm not driving. I'm here on private property. Suck.
That they
I'm
did not
respectful.
authorize
I
you to be
deal with
on.
police officers. I'm gonna tell you, suck. I'm here. This is legal. The car's not running. I can
You're
open
not
it.
going back in your car.
I can open the. I can open
If you
it.
touch it and open it again, I'm going to place you under arrest.
If I touch this car,
You're not. You're drunk. Stop. Stop.
I'm not going anywhere. The car's not started. I can open this car.
No, you
So you're
can't.
gonna place me under arrest if I open this car?
You're-
So I have no-
You're definitely going to be placed under arrest. I
Oh,
can
really?
tell you that right now.
So I'm on private property.
That you're not authorized to be on.
Case, we'll deal with you in a little bit, okay? Appreciate it.
You didn't say I could pull the car here.
No.
Okay. Okay. So the car needs to be moved. You're a faggot. You're a pussy.
That's fine.
You just talked to me. We had a good
here.
relationship.
Put your hands behind your
Don't
back.
touch
I did my
me.
job.
Turn around, put your hand behind your back.
Why is that?
Turn around, put your hands behind
Look,
your
we're
back.
not going to fight you. We're not going to fight you.
I don't know. Why am I
okay?
putting my hands
We're
behind my
not going
back?
to fight you.
Whoa. Why are you doing that?
Put your hands behind your
Why are
back.
you doing that?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why am I putting my hands behind me? You got your camera on?
I do.
Yeah, you do.
Listen,
You
I'm
got
going to
your
have to put
boy.
you on the ground.
Are you a sergeant?
You want to get tased.
Are you in
We're not
charge?
going to fight you. I'm just
Are
going
you
to
in
tease you.
charge?
Put your hand behind your back.
Are you in charge?
Put your hand behind your back.
Capuzzo.
Turn around, put your hand behind your back.
I'm going to place you on the ground if you do not stop.
Put your
Place me on
hands
the ground.
behind your back.
Good. Give me a reason for
Okay.
that. When I'm sitting on private
Behind your back.
Why am I under arrest for sitting here?
You're disorderly, you're drunk, you're not listening to instructions.
I'm disorderly. I'm sitting here. I'm not causing any issues.
We told you plenty of times. We just asked you to do some stuff and you just didn't want to do it.
Whoa, what?
Alright?
Yeah, you asked me to do something if you don't want to do it. Is that what it is? For sitting in a parking spot? What do you mean? I'm sitting there on someone's porch. You guys are going to try to run me that way? Why are you ramming me?
I'm not ramming you, bro.
Nah,
Sit
you
you
are.
up.
You're being a pussy.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you want to give it a little...
I'm not ramming you, bro.
No, you did.
I'm not.
Don't act like a fat...
I'm not. You're in handcuffs. I'm not ramming you. I'm just going like this. Just let me search you. I'm not ramming you.
I'll let you search me. I'm
Alright.
telling you. No.
I'm not ramming you.
Man to man. Talk to me.
I'm not
Can you talk
ramming
to
you,
me?
bro.
Petruza?
The Puzo. I'm not ramming you.
Can't talk to me? You're not ramming?
I'll talk to you.
Okay.
All day I'll talk to you.
Why is my...
Dude, we asked you to do
I'm
a couple
not
things,
son
bro.
of bitches. I'm sitting there on a porch with you.
I know. Then you're calling him a pussy.
Yeah, he's a pussy.
No, for what?
What are you running my pockets for?
Because you're under arrest. I'm searching you.
Oh, really? I'm under arrest.
Yeah, you
Why
are.
am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest?
Stop moving.
Wow, I'm
Stop
standing
moving.
still.
You are
I'm
adding more
standing
charges
still,
to
bro.
this. Face this way.
I'm
Let me to search
standing
you.
still. You guys came when I was sitting on the porch. So what's your fucking problem, faggot? Can you standing here? Yeah, what's wrong with you guys? Why are you guys grabbing me so? What are you getting out of my pockets? Oh, good my. Seriously. I don't want to be disrespectful to you guys. You guys are fucking...
Look, we're just searching, bro. Relax.
Apparently she was in front of my house giving it head.
No, that's not my girlfriend. Hey, ma'am, are you interested? Are you interested in exceeding the same option? Hey, you dirty fucking skank. I'm sorry, I wouldn't be this way, but obviously the neighbors are acting stupid.
We're going to get you down there with
So
the
why am I
process
under arrest?
for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct. I've been sitting on private property and...
Hop in for me.
What is it?
Hop in the car.
So wait. So I'm under arrest.
Under arrest right now.
So I was just sitting on that person's front porch.
They don't even know you.
Step in the car.
You're arresting me for disorderly conduct.
Yeah.
Why are they speaking to me under arrest?
What's that? DePuzzo and Perry G.
Yeah.
So now we
step
just
in the
want
car.
you to get in the car, bro. We want to bring you to headquarters. You're going to get processed.
Casey, this bitch is a crackhead. She's not with me, but it's like you guys probably.
Well, let's get you out of here.
Let's get you out of here.
Casey, come here. You guys should probably arrest him.
You're not listening to him. Go away.
Get my
Go
phone.
away.
Don't listen to this retard. You're not in charge of like rights. Listening. Whoa, yo! You got this on video, Casey? You guys are ramming me. That's kind of gay. Seriously, you gonna ram me in? How old are you, Deputy? 13. Take that belt off. I'll bust your ass up. You got it, right?
So when I came out to go get my daughter from the bus stop,
What house do you live in?
I live in this one.
Yep.
The car was parked here.
Yep.
I was walking
In the middle
to
of
go
the
to-
street?
It was parked right here in between
Yep.
and he had his pants around his ankles and
Yep.
his boxers and said to me, "Hey honey," as his hands were in his pants. So I called my husband because I'm walking alone to go get my 6-year-old daughter and I was afraid what I was going to come back to.
Yep.
And then that's when she pulled in and the car was blocking her driveway. But he definitely had no pants on.
Yeah, he was doing this.
Yeah, but there's a lot of
So
children.
you live here?
She lives here.
You just gave me this idea.
That was me.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I was
And not for
abrupt
nothing,
before.
we got to exchange info because I got to report this to work too.
Just for the report, you do not know him. You did not.
I have no
you
idea
did
who
not
this guy
permit
is.
him to or ask him to park in your
No.
driveway. Okay.
Like I said, they went in reverse all the way to the other
Yep.
side of the curb, hit the curb, put it in forward,
Yep.
went around the cul-de-sac until he turned and went head first, headlights facing this way.
Yep.
All right, stayed there. She ran out of the car, ran into the house, didn't see her again. And then that's where he stayed. And the longer he waited, I'm like, something's going on with this guy. So I went and got my shoes on. At that time, my wife started rolling up. He was blocking the driveway, so she couldn't get in the driveway.
Yep.
And she approached the vehicle and was like, "Are you okay? You okay?" And then I start coming out the house, and she goes, "He's fucked up. He's messed up." And then he proceeded to back up. He hit the mailbox. Didn't do any damage, not that it looks like, but he hit the mailbox, goes forward, and starts backing up my driveway. Thought he was going to go through my garage. I screamed at him, and then he got a little irritated. He got out the car. I calmed him down, and then I just distracted him until you guys got here.
Okay. Does your ring camera capture any of this?
It's
That's
not,
her.
it's dead.
Terror. You got to be kidding me.
It's dead. My ring camera would capture him doing this stuff in the because I'm the middle house.
That's
so
okay.
I just took the ring. It just died.
And what did you see? So you pulled up at 2:45
Honestly,
roughly.
his story,
Same exact thing. Okay.
100%.
And then you just
I
asked
said
him
to him,
move
well,
and
I did say, are you having a medical emergency?
Yep.
And he goes, get the fuck out of here. Keep going.
Okay.
Go. That's the only discrepancy.
Got you. Thank you very much. I appreciate your guys' patience.
Officers found the suspect in a vehicle parked in a resident's driveway without permission. The homeowner reported erratic driving and concerning behavior. The officer immediately smelled alcohol, establishing probable cause for DUI investigation under New Jersey law. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, officers may order occupants from vehicles during lawful investigations for safety. The suspect refused repeatedly, claiming officers had no jurisdiction because the car wasn't running and he was on private property. Both claims are legally incorrect. In New Jersey, DUI can be charged even if the vehicle isn't running, as long as evidence shows it was operated while impaired. Private property provides no immunity when officers have probable cause and the property owner reports trespassing. The suspect created his own legal jeopardy by refusing lawful commands. The critical moment occurred when the suspect directed a profane slur at the homeowner. Under New Jersey's disorderly conduct statute, offensive language likely to provoke violence or breach the peace provides grounds for arrest. Combined with his pattern of aggressive behavior in a residential neighborhood, the officer moved immediately to effect the arrest. Officers used only soft, empty hand control techniques despite significant resistance. Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of force depends on threat level, crime severity, and active resistance. Here, officers showed remarkable restraint, not escalating to strikes or weapons despite profanity and slurs directed at them personally. Once handcuffed, officers conducted a search incident to lawful arrest under United States versus Robinson. This requires no additional probable cause. The suspect's claim of being cooperative the whole time contradicted every moment captured on camera. Witness statements provided crucial evidence. The homeowner described the suspect with his pants down approaching her as she walked to get her daughter from the bus stop. Her husband witnessed erratic driving backing up, hitting the curb, nearly striking the mailbox. These accounts supported multiple potential charges, including indecent exposure and reckless driving while intoxicated. At the station, the suspect refused breath testing. Under New Jersey's implied consent law, refusal carries severe penalties up to 1-year license suspension for a first offense, often harsher than the DUI itself. This was another poor decision in a pattern of terrible judgment. The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct, obstruction of justice, resisting arrest, and DUI. Final case outcome remains unknown. No civil lawsuit against the officers has been filed based on available public records.
No worries.
My car is blocking his car. I'm trying to get where he turns around. Right? You said he
In reverse, hit the curb, and then looped around.
What, before she got home or after she got home?
Before she. That's how he ended up blocking the driveway, because that's where he settled.
I wonder if I was on a computer, because I guess I walk away so it doesn't do like the person detected one.
Okay, so there's no...
But like the car...
Is there any video of him in the car or anything like that? Or it's just we know he was in the car?
I have her yelling at him.
It's okay.
We're just getting it.
So,
We're just getting
Obstruction,
resisting,
disorderly.
we're getting with assault on us.
There's 7 kids under the age of 10. Just like...
Yeah, I mean, from what we did right here, there's nothing more we can do. He's getting numerous charges, like a good amount. And he'll be trespassed from your property. Did he go on... What's your address? Did he go on your property at all?
I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm saying I would like to beat your ass. I hate to say it, and you might laugh at me. Yeah, Max is a pussy. It's not just you, but I'm just telling you.
Are you going to be cooperative when we get back? Are you going to be cooperative when we get back?
I've been cooperative the whole time, have I not?
Alright, so what we're going to have...
I've been cooperative the whole time or not?
I would say no.
You would say no. Then off, don't say anything to me, we'll figure out how to say it.
Alright, you ready?
Am I ready?
Yeah.
We're ready.
I am ready. I'm going to head over to these other officer.
You got us.
And run it.
I was just thinking, famous guy rubbing me down. No, I'm not. I quit today.
Okay. Everything good?
Yes.
Everything went good?
Thankfully. I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
No, you're all good.
We're going to put you in a holding cell for a little bit, and then I'll come back and finish the paperwork.
Maybe take that
I'm going to put it with the rest of your
What if
stuff.
I just left it on me? You wouldn't have taken it.
I would have, yeah, when we got in.
I'm gonna hold on to it. Like, what do you
It's our policy.
I can't hold on.
No.
Even if I was wearing it.
I would have asked you to remove it. All right, can I grab
That's
your
from
belt?
that way.
Your belt too.
You want a cup or something? Water? You good?
If you have a cup of water, but
Okay, yeah.
I'm not trying to. What am I waiting on to move for?
So we're gonna go do some paperwork. I'll come get you and we'll do fingerprints and pictures.
For the charges.
Yeah, so it looks like it's gonna be disorderly conduct, obstruction, resisting arrest, and
Resisting arrest.
yeah.
No, put your shoes on for me. Brother, you awake?
Max, we're getting out of here.
Hey, Max, you awake? All right, speak it up.
Max!
Max, it's time to go. Your shoes are right there, brother.
How you guys doing?
Good, all
How
right?
are you?
So what do we need to do to get out of here?
We're actually heading up to county jail, all right?
Where's
Why is that?
yeah.
I'm not too sure. I wasn't there, but I'll be the one driving you up.
You're driving me up,
I'm driving you up.
even though you got situated with whoever it was last night on my phone. Not that you didn't hear what I just said, or does that sound like the same thing we're both dealing with? You talked to the dispatcher, she said you're gonna situate me.
I'm just driving you, brother. I'm just driving you. Wasn't there.
You got nothing to really say.
We just met.
Good, so we're not in a crazy rush, right? Dolan?
Yeah,
Pete, you know Pete Dolan?
I don't know, Pete.
No.
I did meet you once before on a stop. I think your girl was driving. I gave you guys a warning.
Wasn't my girl probably if you
Last name long ago. It wasn't Casey. It was her sister.
cousin?
Cousin? Is she a girl or no?
It's a girl of mine. I have a 3-year-old in the mix of things, so it's like I make a straight these shits. Like, hey, I'm worried, bro. And
That's it. We'll talk to you. Well, probably
The officers receive a B+. They demonstrated strong legal authority with probable cause for every action, maintained appropriate force levels despite verbal abuse, and followed proper procedures throughout. Minor improvements in communication could have helped earlier explanation of the investigation basis, and explicit warnings about disorderly conduct might have de-escalated the situation. However, the suspect's intoxication and aggressive demeanor made peaceful resolution unlikely. This was professional, lawful policing in a volatile situation. Lieutenant Venuto receives a D. He allegedly drove while intoxicated, trespassed, engaged in inappropriate behavior near a woman and child, then lied about having permission. He refused every lawful command, used profane slurs that caused his disorderly conduct arrest, and physically resisted. His claim that private property or a non-running car prevented investigation showed complete legal ignorance. The breath test refusal will likely result in harsher penalties than the DUI itself. While he didn't violently assault officers, he made every wrong choice available, transforming a minor incident into serious criminal charges. The homeowners receive an A-. They properly called police rather than confronting an intoxicated individual, provided clear, truthful statements, and demonstrated model citizen cooperation. The wife's concern about a medical emergency showed good judgment. The husband kept the suspect calm while waiting for police. Minor deductions reflect personal risk in engaging the suspect, but overall this exemplifies how community policing should work. Critical lessons from this case. For citizens, comply first, challenge later. Every refused command added charges and escalated force. Arguments about jurisdiction belong in court, not on the street. Profanity and slurs can create new criminal charges. If you believe police are wrong, comply peacefully. Document everything. Pursue legal remedies afterward. For homeowners, never confront intoxicated individuals. Call police, provide detailed statements, preserve video evidence. For officers, clear communication of investigation basis often prevents escalation. Explicit warnings give suspects opportunity to make better choices. This case shows a system working correctly. Officers acted lawfully, citizens cooperated, and a dangerous impaired driver was removed from the streets. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.